Good evening, friends. I am Rajiv Sishir Nagar. I have already previously made 3 videos on the pursuits of excellence. That means I have informed previously that in your pursuits of excellence, in your levels of excellence, I had identified 10 factors, out of which number 1 was energy, number 2 is attitude, and number 3 is mission. The number 4th pursuit of excellence which I want to discuss today is the 4th one is set goals. So, if a person wants to be successful in life, a person has to set goals, because goal setting is very important. If a person has not set his goal, he is not able to reach his destination, because goal setting or setting goals is very important for future. Future depends on setting our goals, because setting a goal is not a choice. It is not an option. It is a necessity, because if you have written your goals, it gives you a realistic view on what you want to achieve in life. So if you want to achieve in your life, you have to set your goals. So primarily, as per my study, I have read number of books on goal settings in my life. But I have read a book written by Napoleon Hill, which is Think and Grow Rich. So if anybody wants to grow rich, if anybody wants to be successful, if you go through this book, Think and Grow Rich, there are 4 main type of goals which is written there. The number 1 goal is personal goal. The number 2 goal is our wealth goal. The number 3 goal is our adventure goal. And the number 4 goal is to contribute. So if you want anything to achieve in your personal life, you have to make a list of your personal goals which you want to achieve. Number 2, if you want to achieve wealth, if you want to achieve wealth in life, because life is long, you have to write your goal to achieve your wealth, because your small baby steps, the actions you take leads to achieve the wealth goals in your life. The third one is adventure goal. If I want to travel anywhere in life, if I am passionate about traveling, so I have to write my goals. Like, I have traveled to 16 countries until today. Most of the countries I have visited numerous times. So how I made this possible? It is about writing my adventures in my diary. By writing my adventure goals in my diary, I was able to achieve my adventure goals. Every person, successful, mediocre, or small, everyone has something to contribute to society, contribute to home, contribute to friends, contribute to your own country. It is not only the money which you contribute. So you have goals for contribution. So these are the most important 4 goals in life. So now if you talk about the subtypes, we can term it as personal goal, we can term it as physical goal, we can term it as a professional goal, we can term it as our social goal, we can term it as our financial goal, we can term it as our family goal, we can term it as education and learning. That means if you want to have increase in your skills, you have to learn. So this is one goal which I find very necessary. And finally, every person has a spiritual goal. So I have categorized goals in primary and secondary. So these are the goals which one needs to set in life. Because if you set your goals, your goals become realistic. Because a goal which is not written is just a dream. A goal without a date is just a dream. So if you want to achieve something in life, you have to write down in a diary, make a note of it. When do you want to achieve a particular goal? So you will get the mapping. Your goals will get fulfilled if you write realistic goals. When you write realistic goals, you feel satisfied. And once, if you feel satisfied, it will help you to achieve more and more goals. Because when you write your goals, you become methodical. So in methodical goal, if your goals are methodical, it gives you an explicit view. So explicitity, you find explicitity when you write your goals. When you write your goals, you are wholehearted. Because anything you write, you can write it through your heart. You become generous. When you write your goals, you generously spend time for your goals to get achieved. You become diligent. And once you become diligent, you are motivated to achieve your goals. So for me, I use a gold card for any goal which I want to accomplish in my life. So in my levels of excellence, the fourth goal which is important in life is to set goals. Thank you very much. I am Rajiv Nagar signing off. Thank you.